Good afternoon, students. Today we will do another experiment, that is your experiment number 4, and put today's date. After that, we will write aim of the experiment. Today's aim of the experiment is to isolate DNA from available plant material. Here we have taken plant material, that is onion. The botanical name or scientific name of onion is Allium seta. After that, write materials required. Under materials required, you have to take apparatus required, then chemicals required, then your plant material. In apparatus required, under apparatus required, you have to write mortar, pestle, beaker, spatula, glass rod, funnel, filter paper, test tube, thread. And under chemicals required, you have to write NaCl, that is salt, then liquid detergent, then alcohol, that is ethanol, 70 to 90%, and distilled water and ice cubes. After that, write plant materials, that is onion. After that, you go for the procedure. Go for the procedure. In procedure, you have to write one by one. First, you have to write: take a fresh onion, cut into pieces and chopped it. We have taken an onion. Here we have taken an onion, that is fresh onion. Then we have cut it into slices and chopped it. After chopping, we have grind it. We have grind it with the help of, this is your mortar and pestle. Already apparatus required, we have written mortar and pestle, and we grind it. After chopping, we grind it with the help of mortar and pestle. After grinding, transfer the paste into a beaker. We transfer it to a beaker. After transferring, we add or take a little amount of liquid detergent. Here we have taken the liquid detergent. We have to take small amount of liquid detergent and 3 to 4 spatula of, that is your sodium chloride, that is NaCl. 3 to 4 spatula of NaCl. NaCl we have to take 3 to 4 spatula according to your taste. After that, you add 40 to 50 ml of distilled water. Distilled water we have already taken here. Distilled water, you have to add 40 to 50 ml of distilled water. After taking this distilled water, we have to mix well with the help of glass rod, so that sodium chloride, liquid detergent and alcohol should mix well. After mixing it with the help of glass rod, you take a funnel and a test tube. With the help of funnel and test tube, and this is your filter paper. Take the filter paper and fold it like this and put inside the funnel. Put inside the funnel and filter with the help of this. Just put inside the funnel and pour the filter. Take the filter, keep it for some time. After all the extract come out to the test tube. After that, then take 10 ml of this mixture. 10 ml of this mixture. 10 ml of this mixture in a test tube. Suppose we have already taken here in a test tube. Then with the help of a dropper, you add alcohol. You can see. Add, that is alcohol, in such a way that don't pour like this. You pour in such a way that slowly into the test tube, slowly with the side of the test tube. After that, you will observe here. You can observe. You observe, or it clear. You can observe it. After that, you keep it in the beaker containing water undisturbed for 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. After keeping this inside the beaker, then we get white precipitate. Inside the test tube like this, and poured a thread. Already we have poured a thread inside the beaker. You pour a thread inside the beaker and keep it some time inside the beaker. After that, we'll get the white precipitate inside the test tube as surrounds into the thread. Into the thread in a such a way that it is look like a chain-like structure. These chain-like structure are the DNA. After that, these structures are DNA. After that, you go for observation. After that, you go for observation or result. Here, result. In result, you will write DNA appears as white precipitate. DNA appears as white precipitate. In the thread, like chain-like structure or granules. After that, you go for precautions. Under precautions, you have to write 3 to 4 points. That is, various plant materials should be taken or used. Then the glassware should be clean and dried, thoroughly clean and dried. Then always use distilled water to make the solution, and chemicals and solution should be prepared carefully in order to avoid any wastage, and all the chemicals should be in a standard form. Understood? Clear?